Hi YouTubers, Greg here, just with some footage of the Australia Day fireworks looking across at Federation Square, which I was lucky enough to see. Didn't expect them to be there, but they all of a sudden they started going bang, 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 and this is only about a small fraction of the video took of the fireworks, about a minute, 30 seconds, and they were much better, much better than the fireworks on New Year's Eve. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll talk to you soon. See you later.